Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk everything we need to know about the function Vlookup. Now, what is Vlookup and when should we use it? Vlookup is a vertical lookup function which we use in a table. So, what does this function do? This function takes searches for a particular value in a table and the corresponding value is returned. For example, we are looking for sales price of item 107. Then this function will take the item 107 and return the corresponding value sales price. Now, when should we use it and why should we use it? So this table, the example which we have taken, we only have 15 rows, but imagine having 50,000 rows and 500 columns, and you want to search for some value which is there in 217th column for an ID which is 25,000, and imagine doing it manually. It's very difficult, and we have a much better alternative available, VLOOKUP. So how should we go about it? Let's so example, we want to search for profit for the product having ID 104. So we will use the function VLOOKUP and the lookup value. Excel provides you the hint how to use it. VLOOKUP value. We want to search for a value which is 104. Table array. So we will select the table which contains the value which we are searching for and the value which we want. So, and also this lookup value should be there in the first column of the table array. So this 104 is there in the first column, and whatever the value we want should be there in the table which we have selected. So I have selected the complete table. So cost, price and profit, whatever we want to search, it will be there. Column index number. So since we are searching for profit is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, eighth index number, and we will use a value 0 here. We use a value 0 when we are looking for exact match. If we are looking for nearby match, then we use a value 1. Generally we use the value 0. So for item 104, profit is 10. This is there. Another example. Now, like I said, this is the lookup value, and like I said, the value which we are, the item which we are providing should be there in the first column. So here we will not select the complete table, we will select the table from here. Now the column index number. Now the column index number will be calculated again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0. The product which is table, profit 563. Guys, if you like the videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel.